What's up everybody, it's me coming with some cool future-based tutorials. So I almost finished my school and I have so much more time right now, so expect me to put more videos in the channel and more tutorials and stuff. You know what to do. So what you see right now is a part of a remix I'm making, and while doing this I accidentally recreated the Flume track called Helix. I thought that you would be probably interested in seeing how it was done, and I'm really excited to see your reaction on how to make ambient pads videos, and I'm really surprised how big this video is. So I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you learned something. Let's dive into the project. So after deleting all these unnecessary tracks, I'm gonna show you the final result. So it may not be exactly Helix, but hey, the arpeggios are similar, and if you increase the tempo, it sounds more like it. Anyways, it's a pretty cool idea for making build-ups. To make the arpeggios melody, you can basically make simple arp melody, then you put the short notes above them in random places. You can close your eyes to be more accurate. So let's start from not obvious one. This is a chopped sample with some reverb on it. Another layer is very interesting arpeggio from one of Madison's sample packs, also with some reverb. Here we have synth from some future-based preset packs playing single notes and then chords. And another layer is the bass underneath. This is a pretty standard, pretty common Reese. It's playing the one note to make the tension. And you can see the chords right now. The Reese is pretty common, we can recreate it from scratch. And some white noises and risers. The plug comes from actually the same preset pack I use for synth, and it's pretty common again, and we can recreate it in Serum again. To make the arpeggios in the drop, I simply duplicated the original track, then I froze it, flattened, and reversed it. After that, I again duplicated it to make another layer. This time it was pitched one octave up arpeggio layer with some reverb on it to nicely fill the background. I also add a LFO tool on it to make it more rhythm and more dynamic.